Hello, hello. Hi, my lovely students. How are you today? Today in math, we are continuing with make bar graphs. We are continuing with the same topic that we started yesterday. So we are studying more about bar graphs. This is a bar graph. Let's go and start the lesson. By the end of this lesson, I can say, I can make bar graphs to show data. Now, let's do the mental math. Pause the lesson, pause this video, and try to do this in less than 2 minutes. When you're done, continue with the lesson. Now, down below in the description of this video, you will find this link. So go on it, watch it, and then come back to the lesson. So let's review. What is this word right here? Can you read it? Yes, data. It's numbers or symbols that show information. So that's what we are using to make our bar graphs and picture graphs and all the things that we have been learning lately. Use the data from the graph to answer the question. What type of graph is this? Can you tell me? Is it a tally chart? Is it a picture graph? Or is it a bar graph? What is it? It has pictures, so it is a picture graph. It's a picture graph about a favorite hamburger topping. Each picture is one vote. These are the things we usually put in hamburgers. So, do you like to put ketchup, mustard, lettuce, or tomato? This is what the people that were surveyed voted. Now, it says the first question, how many people voted? How do you find out? Why is it 8? Why is 8 the amount of people that voted? How do you know that? We count all the votes. And by counting the votes, we will know that it's 8. Let's count together. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the amount of people that voted. Number 2 says, which topping got the most votes? Most means that more people voted for that topping, which is ketchup. How many votes do ketchup have? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 votes. So that is why ketchup is the most. Alright, so let's go to the next slide. The problem of the day. Now let's just remember what is a bar graph. A bar graph uses bars to show data. To make a bar graph, color one box for each vote. Bar graphs can look different. How can bar graphs look different? Do you remember that? We have here one bar graph which is going this way. Is it vertical or horizontal? Yes, this is a horizontal bar graph. And we can have also a bar graph that goes up. So today we are discussing this one, the horizontal bar graph. Now, 15 people voted on their favorite field trip. This is the title, field trip. 2 voted for the symphony. 5 voted for the zoo. The same number voted for the museum and the aquarium. So this is a problem that makes you think. Okay, and the hint is here. We need to know that 15 people voted. So at the end, we have to have 15 people showing in the bar graph. 2 voted for the symphony. Symphony is right here. 1, 2, we have that. 5 voted For the zoo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are no numbers given for the museum or aquarium, but because we know it's 15, we already have 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 15 minus 7, how much is 15 minus 7? Can you think? It's 8. So we are left with 8. We are left with 8 votes, which says the same number voted for the museum and aquarium. So museum and aquarium had the same amount of votes, which means 8 divided by 2, or you have to share the 8 into 2 groups. So each one will have 4 each one will have 4 votes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you figure out problems like this. Now we have two options in the following slides. You choose to do one of them for your task. In task number 1, you have to solve page 552 in your math book, volume 2. And in task number 2, solve page 552. And as a closure, go ahead and play the game. Okay, so if you have a laptop, go to this link, and if you have your iPad, go to the application of IXL and play this game. Interpret bar graphs. Thank you so much, and follow all the instructions, answer the tasks, and upload them in your portfolio in Class Dojo. Bye bye.